All right, quick video on how to adjust the True Latch gate brace. So basically we're about a 1/4 inch down. I don't know if you can see that, about a 1/4 inch down. So just gotta loosen this bottom nut and then start turning this top one. A couple turns and see how we do here. Pretty quick. So we've gone at least a 1/4. That might be what we need. Okay. Yep. Right on the top side of the latch. So I think you can see that. It's rubbing right on the top side. So what I'll do is I'm just going to back it down just a little bit. And right there, right in the center. Okay, perfect. And then you just tighten your bottom nut back up against the bracket. Done.